I'm able to also look at all of my breakdowns. If this particular machine is broken down, I can create a new work order. Say, start fixing this. Um, Alternatively, if I don't have a work order, I can always go in and create a new work order. This can be tied into SAP or JD Edwards if the site is currently using JD Edwards. Um, and then let me create a new work order for Bolter 0308, where I'm going to do the two boom jumbo 250-hour maintenance. The estimated hours is about 8 hours. And then I can add any backlogs that are remaining for this particular machine, or I can create new backlog items. Say I want to replace the, it's not on the boom, but let's just say on the chassis, I'm going to replace the wipers on the chassis. And this takes less than 30 minutes. And if I want to provide additional details, I can provide them. So we end up creating a new work order that can be done in parallel along with the 250-hour maintenance, and then just save it. I should be able to add supervisor notes. The technician should be able to add their notes. And the total estimated time for this particular work order is going to be about 8.5 hours, and we keep track of that. We need to set a primary technician. We'll set Curtis as the primary technician, and we'll save it. Okay. So we just created a new